HMD Global has launched their first set of Nokia branded Android smartphones in India. The Nokia 6, the Nokia 5 and the Nokia 3, though have been announced, will be available starting different dates and either online or offline. You're watching India Today Tech, and in this video, we will tell you about the latest Nokia phones. Hit subscribe button to get more such videos delivered right to your inbox. Let's start with the top of the line model, the Nokia 6. It is powered by a Snapdragon 430 processor paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card up to 256GB. It features a 5.5-inch Full HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top and a fingerprint sensor up front. The body is built out of single solid block of Series 6000 aluminum that were used on older iPhone models by Apple. Nokia 6 packs a 3000 mAh battery and comes with a 16 megapixel camera in the rear with face detection autofocus and an 8 megapixel camera at front for selfies. Its features include dual speakers with Dolby Atmos technology, fingerprint sensor at front, NFC and USB OTG. It runs the latest Android 7.1.1 Nougat version with no skin on top, just pure stock interface. The phone will be available in matte black, blue and silver colors, but it will be available online only. You will be able to buy it only from Amazon India website at Rs 14,999. Sale will start on July 14. There is another version of Nokia 6 that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage and a fancy new glossy design in black. Nokia calls this variant the Art Black version but hasn't revealed the price or availability date of the phone yet. Next, the Nokia 5 is a slight step down from the Nokia 6. It has the same build material and the Snapdragon 430 chipset inside, but it comes with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. Moreover, it has a smaller 5.2-inch display with 720p of HD resolution. It does have a fingerprint sensor and runs the latest Android 7.1.1 interface. Also, it has the same 3000 mAh battery inside despite its smaller size and an 8 megapixel camera at the front like the Nokia 6. But the rear camera is a 13 megapixel shooter and the phone does not have dual speakers. You will be able to buy the Nokia 5 at Rs 12,899 but only through offline stores. Like the Nokia 3310, the Nokia 5 will not be sold online. The phone will be available from July 7. Lastly, the cheapest of three, the Nokia 3, will be sold offline at Rs 9,499. But it has two major differences when compared with the Nokia 5. It is built in a polycarbonate chassis, that is, it has a plastic body, and it runs the MediaTek MT6737 processor. On board, it has 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, which is expandable via microSD card. At front, it has a 5-inch display with 720p of resolution and 8 megapixel camera. At the rear also, it has an 8 megapixel shooter but with LED flash. The phone runs the latest Android 7.1.1 Nougat version and packs a 2650 mAh battery. It will come in silver and copper white, blue and black colors. We will be doing the full review of all the smartphones, so stay tuned and keep watching the India Today Tech channel.